All right, only 8 of these this time because it's all I had left. Nice. Man down. Hopefully we can get through a whole break without getting kicked. Aaron Judge, rookie. Bellinger, rookie. Gurriel, rookie, refractor. Carlos Correa /99. Also the Astros. Judge and Bellinger. Bellinger, rookie. Red Charlie Blackmon, 20/25. All right, this one Williams would be an auto. Brett Phillips, Brewers auto. Alright, I think there's at least one more auto in here. A red auto, Franklin Barreto. 1 of 25, Oakland. Red auto. So out of the 28 boxes I opened tonight, I hit 2 reds, both in this break, and one of them was an auto. That's nice. Alright guys, my last 2 boxes. Now we definitely could still have another auto. I just figured, I was pretty confident there'd be at least one more, and there was. Dansby and Benintendi. Gift Ngope? I don't know. I butchered your name, buddy. Sorry. Refractor. All right, last 2017 Chrome box. This is it. It's everyone I've got. Griffey. All right, guys, my last 10 megas. These are the 18s. The packs, we're just gonna ship those to you sealed. Not the mega packs, the other packs. Oh, these boxes are such a pain in the ass. It's like, what is the least? What's the most frustrating way to build a box? Let's do it like that. Oh, got another orange. Pete Alonso. 6 of 25 on the Pete Alonso. Rogers, Mateo, Gonzalez, Mises. Baez, Romero, Quantrill, Bukauskas, and Acevedo. Box 1 had an orange. Orange Met. Trammell, Dunning, Clark, Knapp, and Hicks. Kendall. Verdugo. Tavares purple. Solak, Justin Williams. Box 3. Pache, Thomas Hatch, Perez, Hall and Peters. Kyle Tucker, Forrest Whitley, Austin Hayes. Box 4. Adam Hasley, Khalil Lee, Dane Dunning purple, Dykeman, Sauer, Enlow, Gordon, Reese Hoskins, Acuna, Royce Lewis. All right, box 5, still no auto. Jimenez, Carter Kieboom, Jack Flaherty, Colton Welker, gold, 13 out of 50. Yadier. Kopech, Corbin Burns, Kalish, Andres Jimenez for the Mets, Pete Alonso. All right, halfway through, still no auto. Do have an orange and a gold, though. Lakins, Knapp, Kingery, Anderson, Bobby Bradley. Jordan Hicks, Walker Buehler, Alzole for the Cubs. Auto. Dane Dunning, Clark. So we got an auto now. Kendall, Mitch Keller, Carter Kieboom green, Taylor Clark, Nick Solak. Daniel Johnson, Dustin Fowler, Jose Siri auto. So we're up to 2 autos. Corey Ray, 2 cents, Sanchez, Pardino, and Spencer Howard. Urias, Soto, Anthony Banda, Mata, and Glaber. 2 boxes left. Brendan McKay, Alzole, Diaz, Bryce Wilson, Jake Berger. Pache, J.P. Crawford, Guerrero, orange, 15 out of 25. Nice card. Matt Hall, DJ Peters. This is it, guys. The last box. Base packs are stowed away, ready to go. Gonsalves, Drew Ellis, Sanchez, Santana, AJ Puck. Last one. Jahmai Jones, Reagans, Lazarito, Nick Williams, and Dominic Smith. I was hoping that'd be Ohtani, but I'll take it. All right, guys. Better than break 1, but not as good as break 2. Dominic Smith, Guerrero, orange. Siri auto. Carter Kaiboom, 99. Kendall, Alzole auto. Jimenez, Colton Welker, gold. Acuna, Dunning, Tavares, Kendall, and Pete Alonso, orange. Your Rookie of the Year favorites, other than the color you just saw: Williams, Crawford, Banda, Fowler, Bueller, Flaherty, Hoskins, Hayes, and Verdugo. The 2017 Blackman, Gift, Blackman, Red, Correa /99, and Gurriel Refractor. And 2 autos, Barreto /25, 1 of 25, and Brett Phillips. All right, guys, saving your video. I'm going to work on those transcendent lists now. And then I'm going to random those, okay? So just give me a little bit. I got you.